SORA 2 is changing e-commerce forever. With just a simple text prompt, you can now create professional, cinematic product videos. Whether you're showcasing shoes, jewelry, or even cars, SORA 2 makes it look real. Here's one I just generated with SORA 2.
Okay besties, this is the Hydro Glow Serum I keep raving about. I've been using it every morning for the past month and my skin is living its best life.
Pretty amazing, right? If you want to learn how to make the same kind of video for your brand or business, stay with me. I'll show you the entire process step by step. First, we'll go to any platform that supports the SORA 2 model. We click on the Tools menu, then go to Video Generator. Here you'll see a sample prompt and video. We need to remove the default prompt. Next, start writing your own prompt in this box. Make sure you've selected SORA 2 from the model menu. Choose the desired aspect ratio. Then select your preferred resolution and video duration. Click on the Generate Video button. Wait a few minutes for the generation process to complete. After a short wait, you'll see that your video has been generated. The sound is also perfect.
Morning light makes everything feel softer, including my skin. A couple of drops of this serum and it just wakes me up, gives me that natural glow without doing too much.
Now we are going to make another sample. We will use a minimal running shoe as our example this time. Write your prompt. Keep your desired settings and click on Generate. It will take some time to generate the video. Here is the result. And that's how easily you can create stunning, realistic videos with SORA 2. Imagine using this technology for your online store or ad campaigns. The possibilities are endless. I'll be sharing more creative SORA 2 tutorials soon, from product storytelling to cinematic ad creation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next update. Thanks for watching.